as we are moving forward to today's race number 5, the first international race of today, the International Mixed Championship heat number 1 of 2025 Sunlight Hong Kong International Dragon Boat Race. Here are your paddlers. The Philippine Dragon Boat Federation, Boat number 2, Hong Kong Japanese Dragon Boat Club. Boat number 3, Bentley's International. Boat number 4, 深圳市南山區周協會。Boat number 5，馬卡龍執隊。
巴士咧，一時飯，俾你拍啦，南山嗰隊，邊個南山啊？哦，南山6時，哦，澳門巴士，哇！太仔勁，係一時就分好咪分咯。我哋進行緊嘅係500米標準龍嘅賽事，進入到去跑波位咧，即係話去到最後100米衝刺時間㗎啦。暫時而家睇到咧，我哋有8支嘅海外精英咧嚟到參加我哋嘅國際混合錦標賽嘅第1場初賽，夾埋我哋會有2場嘅國際混合錦標賽嘅初賽嘅。睇下去到進入到最後衝刺時間啦，暫時叮當龍頭嘅有第一線嘅菲律賓遊艇總會喺龍舟總會至啱，菲律賓龍舟總會。Philippines are leading the race, and at the far side， 暫時而家去到最遠，中國澳門代表隊咧都係緊守住係第2位，但係小心啊！3號線嘅 Bentley International 追緊上嚟，哇 ！The Philippines are strong and fast once again, and they are the first to cross the finish line. Boat number 1 finish at first. Boat number 8， 中國澳門代表隊第2，第3線 Bentley International at third， 第4名嘅係6線嘅佛山大學龍舟隊，第5名4線深圳市南山區龍舟協會，跟住有馬卡龍舟隊，仲有就係2線嘅 Hong Kong Japanese Dragon Boat Club， 最後7線 Spanish Dragons HK。